next category keeps the wheels of industry turning. It's the TCT Industrial Product Application Award. The highly commended project, I can only report what is here, is 3D Mechatronic Integrated Devices by Cubicure in partnership with Harting Technology Group. Now, to help me present this award, please join me in welcoming to the stage, on behalf of our sponsor, Jill, Sean Quill. The winner of the TCT Industrial Product Application Award 2025 is, once again, by Lithoz, Bespoke Porosity Ceramic Membranes in partnership with Evove.
I'm left without words, but I tried to find some. I have to say that our partner in this project, Evove Limited, is UK-based. And the magic about this project is that they're trying to develop together with us and with other companies, I have to say, this kind of membrane filter that will help to decrease CO2 emissions with extracting lithium from brines and water in arid zones like Chile or Peru, or you know this lithium triangle. And it's 80% decrease of CO2 emissions. And why is it possible? Because it's 3D printing, and the parts are so good that it's not necessary anymore to transport the lithium half processed to other countries. So you can process the lithium right on spot, and theoretically you're able to build the factories for the final products right beside the lithium extraction sites. So this is the magic about it. It's not only jaw implants, it's also lithium extraction. So this is our universe. Thank you very much.